Hi everyone, my name is Adul and my student ID is A00244116 and this is my code for lab 1. It's just nothing fancy, it's simple code like 87 line of code. Um, and in my code I used while true, which apparently is a bad use case of while loop. But anyway, I did that because I need to repeatedly run the application until the user close the terminal. I should have made something that the user can enter and should have given that inside the while condition, but I didn't do that. Hmm. And so after while, so because I use while loop, the application continuously loop by its own, so the user can at convert continuously. The next thing which is different is this one, like I used to get the user input by creating a scanner object, and here I use next line plus next line because I was there was a issue when I used this object for the second time. So the solution was either to create another object of a scanner in like input 2 and use that input 2 to get the symbol like kilometer, meter, anything. And in the internet there was another solution that you can use like this, like two line of code with a plus, and this work. So I stick on with this. So I am taking the input as two variables, like by displaying two messages to the user. The first message is to enter enter the value, and I'm storing it here, and the symbol like kilometer is stored in a string. And then I use switch case. I didn't go for if else because it's not so complicated, but it's like so many brackets and all. Switch is comparatively less complicated. That's why I use switch. In this case, switch seems more good for me. Yeah, and this one, like I use symbol dot to lowercase so that the user can enter anything. Kilometer, K capital, M small. He can enter anything, but when the symbol enters into the switch case, it will automatically become to lowercase. So that inside the switch case, the conditions I can use just small cases, or else I had to make another case for capital K small g, another case for capital K capital G. So this solved that problem. That's why I use two lowercase. And these are just simple calculations. I I just directly printed the calculation. I didn't go for storing it in a variable or anything. Just print the converted value. And yeah, now here is a difference. Like, uh, I use two cases so that if it's cup or cups, the system will go for this code, this one. So the user can even enter cup, or the user can enter cups. Both the cases, the software will convert it into liter. That's this one. And yeah, In case of Fahrenheit, we have I converted it into Celsius as well as Kelvin. That's why here we have two system dot out, and even in case of Celsius, I converted into Fahrenheit and Kelvin. That's why here also we have two system dot outs. Hmm. And this is the default code, like if the user enter anything which doesn't match these cases, it will go for invalid entry. I think we don't need break here because it's the last one. And that's it about my code, nothing fancy, just using switch and while. Rest is everything common things. That's it. Thank you so much.